So, hello and good morning to every student. Here we will discuss about the unit vector, direction and direction cosine, and the product of vectors. So, here first of all we will discuss what is the unit vector. So, unit vector means you look at the vector whose magnitude is 1 is said to be unit vector. For A is any vector, then the unit vector of A is represented by A cap. That is equal to what? A vector by A magnitude. Means the vector whose magnitude equal to 1 means good vector or length or magnitude equal to 1, then that vector is said to be what? Unit vector. For A is any vector. Here unit vector, how to find unit vector? One of the example you look at here, A is one of the vector given. For finding the unit vector, you put this vector and the magnitude of this vector. The vector ta upar lekha ho, here the below you write what the magnitude. Same one you write, जोड़ा lekha है जी, and magnitude 2 square plus 3 square plus minus 6 square root over that equal to what? 7. Magnitude find out करिए तो formula हम कोई से जो आगुरु. So this is the unit vector. In this way you can find the unit vector. Here the direction and direction cosines. So direction and direction cosines. How to find direction and what are the directions? Suppose you look at here is the vector given xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. So one of the vector given. The coefficient of I cap is x, j cap is y, and the k cap is z. Here x, y, z are said to be the direction of the vector. But vector direction of g x, y, z it is a suppose it would be a vector. Suppose what is the direction of this vector? 2, 3 and minus 6 are the direction of this vector. Understood or not? The direction can be represented the coefficient of the what? I cap, j cap, k cap. So direction cosine means direction cosine. How to find the direction cosine? You look at x by x square plus y square plus z square, comma y by x square plus y square plus z square, comma z by x square plus y square plus z square. Okay. By using this format, you find what? Direction and direction cosine. You look at how to find. In this case, if A equal to this one, find direction and direction cosine. DCS means direction cosine. DCS, CS means cosines, D means direction. So direction cosine, how to find? In this direction ratios are direction are 2, 3, minus 6. These are the direction. Okay. So direction cosine, how to find direction cosine? From here you will get. Here are the DCS, DRS. These are said to be DRS, direction ratios. Out of this DRS you find what? DCS. DCS means direction cosines. Direction cosines equal to 2 by 2 square plus 3 square plus minus 7 square root over and 3 by the same root and 6 by minus 6 by the same root you write. Okay. So again here 2 by 7 and 3 by 7 minus 6 by 7. This is the DCS of the given vector. So here the DRS of the vector equal to 2, 3, minus 6 and DCS are, these are the DCS. The same one, here what I have written, here also you write, here also you write. Okay. In this way you can find what? DRS and DCS of any vector. Now we will discuss more about more problem related to unit vector and DRS of this. Here from the exercise, 1-2 problem from the exercise I will do for you. Here question number 16 you will get what given. Find the unit vector in the direction of R1 vector minus R2 vector, where R1 vector equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap, R2 vector equal to 3 I cap plus j cap minus 5 k cap. So you have to find the unit vector arrow unit vector find out करावा arrow unit vector find out करावा. Find the unit vector along r1 minus r2 in the direction of r1 minus r2 where r1 and r2 are given this one. So first of all you find r1 minus r2, r1 vector minus r2 vector equal to, simply you subtract. Here it is 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2 I cap. So 2 minus 1 equal to plus 1 j cap. Here 1 minus minus 5 equal to 6 k cap. So this is r1 minus r2. Let's say equal to r vector. r1 minus, instead of r1 minus r2 you put r vector. This one equal r vector. So r vector unit vector equal to represented by r cap. R cap is the unit vector of r. That r vector by r vector magnitude. R vector equal to this one you put minus 2 I cap plus j cap plus 6 k cap by the magnitude of r vector equal to minus 2 square plus 1 square plus 6 square root over. So here you write what 2 I cap plus j cap plus 6 k cap by this what 4 plus 1 5 plus 36 41 root 41. So this is the unit vector along r1 minus r2. r1 minus r2, instead of r1 minus r2 I take what? I took what? R vector. So r vector, the unit vector can be represented by r cap this one. Okay. So we discuss the product of vectors. Product of vectors. Vector product गुड़े को कौन करो सब? First one, the dot or scalar product. Dot or scalar product. Second one, cross or vector product. So there are two type of product, the dot or the scalar product. The second one is the cross or vector product. Okay. So what is the scalar product? What is the vector product? You look at now. So first of all we will discuss multiplication of a scalar with a vector. You look at a scalar, suppose 7. 7 is one of the scalar. Scalar means जेकोणीच गोटे परिमाण, that is the map scalar, and the vector equal to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus 5 k cap, for example. Here this is the scalar quantity and this is the vector quantity. So in this case the product of the vector dot product and cross product cannot be applied. Dot product किंवा cross product apply करायला नाही when we multiply a scalar quantity with a vector quantity. Simply you multiply this, then you get what 14 I cap plus 21 j cap minus 35 k cap. Simply you write this. Okay. Here this is not a dot product, not a cross product. But what is the dot and cross product? Now look at here. Suppose two vectors, a vector and another vector is b vector. When multiply with the dot, dot means what type of dot product I will discuss later. Two vectors are multiplied. Here scalar and vectors are multiplied. So either this one a dot product or cross product. A cross can be represented by this one, a dot can be represented by this one. So why a dot product is said to be a scalar product, why a cross product is said to be a vector product. Let us discuss very clearly one by one. Okay. So now look at it. For A and B are two vectors, the dot product the dot product A dot B can be represented by A magnitude into B magnitude into cos theta. So what is the theta? You know, theta means the angle between the two vectors. Here suppose two vectors are there. Here it is the A vector and this is the B vectors, and the angle between them is theta. So for this, A dot B equal to this is. So cos theta can be calculated. Cos theta equal to, you take this side, then you get what, A dot B by A magnitude into B magnitude. A magnitude into B magnitude. A theta equal to cos inverse A dot B by A magnitude into B magnitude. So look at this is the formula in which we can find the angle between the two what vectors. The vector with the angle find out correct and also the formula. In general, we apply what, A dot B equal to A magnitude into B magnitude into cos theta. In general, cos theta equal to, you take this side, then you get what, A dot B by A magnitude into B magnitude. A theta equal to cos theta. If you take that side, then it is cos inverse. Okay, cos inverse this one for finding the angle. Why it is said to be a dot product or scalar product? Why it is said to be? After multiplication we will get a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity we will get. Suppose how do we get these scalar quantities? This is the formula. In another way, you will get if A vector equal to A1 I cap plus B1 J cap C1 K cap. B vector equal to A2 I cap plus B2 J cap plus C2 K cap. So A vector and B vector are the two vectors in which A dot B can be represented by A dot B. A dot B equal to A1 A2, simply write A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2. Simply. This is the dot product. But in formula, if angle is given, then you apply this formula. If angle is not given, then you apply what is simply this type of formula you apply. Okay. So you look at now. If A vector equal to 2 cap plus 3 cap plus 4 cap is one of the vector. B vector equal to cap minus cap plus 2 cap. Then A dot B equal to what value you will get? Dot. Here the coefficient is 2, here the coefficient is 1. 2 into 1. 2 into 1. Plus here it is 3 into, here it is the minus 1. Plus 4 into 2. 4 into 2. So what value here? 2 plus 8. 10 minus 3, 7. 7 is the A dot B. Okay. Here the dot product between the two what vectors can be represented by this one. But this is the formula, you know, the first formula, that is A dot B equal to A magnitude into B magnitude cos theta. That applies only when the angles are given. Okay, angles are given. Few point about the dot product. Dot product रो किसी हमें discuss करिबा few points केमती कौन करा देखिए. Remember, A dot B equal to 0. 0 का पर डिपेंड करछि थीटा पर. थीटा टा जतो 90 डिग्री हो cos theta टा कोन हो 0 ही जो. So 0 into something equal to 0. That implies what happens? A perpendicular to B. Two vectors are perpendicular. Two vectors are perpendicular if A dot B equal to that dot product equal to 0. So next one, A dot B equal to A magnitude into B magnitude, or simply you write what AB. A magnitude into B magnitude, or simply you write AB. At what case it is A parallel to B. If two vectors are parallel, means you will get the A vector and B vector. There are two parallel vectors. In this case, what happens? A dot B equal to A magnitude into B magnitude. And third case, A dot B equal to minus AB. So at what case? They are anti-parallel. Anti-parallel means one is moving in this direction, second is in this direction. A and B vector. There are two vectors, but here parallel, here anti-parallel. Right? What case? Anti-parallel case. Anti-parallel. So what is the anti-parallel? They are moving in the opposite direction. Parallel, but they are moving in the opposite direction. So this. Now next one. Here is the maximum. A dot B equal to 0 when A parallel to B. This is the maximum. And when it is 0, here it is the minimum. When it is one anti-parallel, it is minimum. A dot B equal to minus AB, here it is the minimum. A dot B equal to what? AB, here it is the maximum. So suppose a question come. So at what conditions the dot product of the two vectors is the maximum? So you write what? When the two vectors are what? Parallel to each other, then the dot product is maximum. When the dot product is minimum, when they are anti-parallel. Okay. So A dot B equal to 0 when they are perpendicular to each other. So now look at how to find the angle between the two vectors here. You look at angle between the two vectors. Suppose A vector equal to angle between the two vectors. Two vectors. Suppose A vector equal to A1 I cap plus B1 J cap plus C1 K cap. B vector equal to another vector, that is A2 I cap plus B2 J cap plus C2 K cap. So there are two vectors given. In this case, the angle theta equal to, the formula is cos inverse A dot B by A magnitude into B magnitude. This is the formula. Simply you write what cos inverse A dot B, A dot B equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2. So here dot product between the two vectors A1 A2 B1 B2 C1 C2 by the magnitude of the first one. What is the magnitude? Here A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square, A1 B1 C1. Second one A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, here cos inverse, right? This is what something what P you say. The total value equal to P. P is the one of the what value, any value. This is what cos inverse P. So now get if P equal to 0, then theta equal to 90 degree. Means याको सॉल्व कले जेतबेले हमें 0 आसीबो, मींस P रो मूल्य 0 आसीबो, theta equal to what? 90 degree. When P equal to, now look at the total value, when P equal to what? A into B, A magnitude and B magnitude. Then what happens? Theta equal to then 180 degree. Sorry, 0 degree or 360 degree. If P equal to minus AB, then theta equal to what happens? 180 degree. When P equal to 1 by root 2, then theta equal to 45 degree. When P equal to 1 by 2, then theta equal to 60 degree, etc. etc. This depend on the value of what? Cos. So now look at one I will do for you the finding the angle. How to find the angle between the two what vectors? Let us discuss. So here you take find angles. A vector equal to I cap plus J cap plus K cap. Simply, and B vector equal to 2I cap plus 3J cap plus 5K cap. So this. So here angle theta equal to cos inverse a1 a dot b. A dot b means what is the a dot b? 1 into 2 plus here 1 into 3 plus here 1 into 5 divided by here 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So here it is 2 3 5, 2 square plus 3 square plus 5 square. So now you simplify, then we get what? 1 into 2 2 plus 3 plus 5 10. So here it is the root 3. Here it is what? 25 plus 9, 34 plus 4, 38, root 38. So simply you put what? This is what? 10. This 8 3 is you put a single root. 8 3 is 24, 2, 9, 11. So this cos inverse what? 10 by root over 144. There is no definite value. If it come 1, then it is cos inverse 1 means 0 degree. If it come 1 by 2, then it is what? Cos inverse 1 by 2 equal to 60 in this way. But here no for such a values. You put but simply 10 by root over 144. Okay. In this way you find the angle between them. Now look at, if a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0, then a perpendicular to b, a vector perpendicular to b. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then a parallel to b. Two vectors are parallel to each other. Now look at one vector. I will write here the a vector equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 5k cap is one of the vector. B vector equal to 4i cap plus 6j cap minus 10k cap. Here two vectors are parallel. Why the two vectors are parallel? So look at, since a1 by a2 means 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to minus 5 by minus 10. All are equal to 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 and this 1 by 2 and this 1 by 2. So then what happens? This format applies. So it is what? A vector parallel to B vectors. So for parallelism, this is the condition. Okay. This is the condition for parallelism. And this is the condition for what? Perpendiculars. So application of dot product. Dot product, where do we apply what dot product? Let us discuss. Application of dot product. Dot or scalar product. So what is the application? What are the application? The most important application for finding the work done. Okay. Suppose you look at, here the application is work done. Work equal to force dot displacement. Force dot displacement. Displacement means, you know, that is here work equal to W equal to force dot displacement. This is the formula. Yes, dot product applies for finding the work. Work find out kare pe dot product apply kara hochi. So one of the problem I will tell you here. Look at problem. Find work done when an object displaces from 2152 7 minus 2 8 by application of force 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap. So this amount of the force is applied. Here suppose object is there. Initially object is there. Object means ଯେକୌଣସି ବସ୍ତୁ ଏ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି, ଏ ପାଖରେ ରହିଲା, force apply କରାଲା, କେତେ amount of the force apply କରାଲା, this amount of the force apply କରାଲା. এই କ'ଣ କରାଲା, object ये displace ହେଲା from here to here, a point to a point. First point କୋଉ point ରେ ଥିଲା, 215 ରେ ଥିଲା. Initially the point was at 215. It displaces from 7 minus 2 8. So this is the initial point and this is the terminating point. So this is the B position. Okay, B position. So AB vector equal to, AB vector means this is the displacement vector. From A to B displace माने स्थानांतरण हैला, force apply कराला, एटा moving हैला एटी बंदे. So AB vector equal to S vector. S means displacement vector. Final point minus initial point, 7 minus 2 I cap. Yeah, this minus 2 minus 1 j cap. 8 minus 5 k cap. This is the displacement vector. So yes, simply you write what 7 minus 2 5 I cap. This what minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 j cap. 3 k cap. So this is the displacement and this is the force, amount of the force equal to this. By application of work done in, you know, work done W equal to F dot S. Work done W equal to F dot S. So F equal to what here? F equal to this one. 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap dot S equal to 5i cap minus 3j cap plus 3k cap. So simply you multiply 2 into 5 10 minus 1 minus 3 3. The 1 into 3 3. This 16. So 16 it may be joule, or if it is meter given then you write what in joule. So joule or whatever that is. Work done equal to what? The work done measured into unit. In SI unit is joule. In CGS that is what? Arc. So you write, you find the work done by application of what? Dot product in this way. Okay. So more problem we will do in the next class. The dot product, how to apply dot product for the more problems. Okay. You practice all the problems.